Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and play with college teams roster in Madden 27. You can do that by using a custom roster created by the Madden community. First, go into the creation center and then select download center. From there, switch over to rosters and you'll see a list of different custom rosters that you can download. Look for a roster that contains college teams or use the search option to find one specifically. To search, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation and enter the name of the college roster you want. Once you find the roster you want, download it and then go back to the creation center. You'll start with the normal Madden roster. So if you want to use the college roster, you just download it. Go into load and delete files. Choose roster, find the college roster you downloaded and load it. Once the roster is loaded, go back into edit rosters and the college teams and players from that file will now be available. You can use manage players to look through the teams, make changes to players, adjust ratings or move players around depending on how the roster was created. Once the roster is loaded, go to quick play and select one of the college teams from the roster. The exact teams and players will depend on the roster you downloaded. If you wanna make changes, go back to edit rosters, make your edits, press R3 and save it as a new roster file. That way you can load your college roster anytime and play with those teams in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.